Unload the macro for the day. Today we do 2 plots on the road. Number one job, get the excavator off the truck. Here we go. No problems at all. Truck goes forward, goes up in the air, the macro comes down, and that's us ready. They're skillful, they're really good at what they do. We boys have worked with us for the last 18 years. Very, very good. Skillful, skill. You know exactly what to do. That. Lift yourself up and put yourself down. So now today we're going to do 2 plots here. We've got 10, but we're doing 2 today just for house, 2 small places to stop the car in the house plot. And this road here has got to be 5 metres, so we've got to do that as well because the government's putting a concrete road through here. So we'll be busy. Making a big fish pond as well. That's the first plot. That's it, 1 plot then. Okay, that's I'm just making the entrance come in now. We'll need to get the trucks in here. Okay, let's go to the shop and buy concrete posts.